Hello everyone, welcome back within the very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to set up Face ID on your iPhone device and you are having this type of problem, Face ID is not available, try setting up Face ID later. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device while set up Face ID on your iPhone device. So first of all, here we have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you will need to tap on soft update. And first thing, you will have to make sure that here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here again open setting, then scroll down, and here you will have to search for Face ID and passcode. Tap on this, enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, you will see this type of interface here. Make sure that all these toggles should be turned on from here. So after that, scroll down here, and here the option require attention for Face ID. Make sure that this toggle is also turned on, and here's the option of attention aware features. Here also turn on this toggle. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Make sure that your iPhone TrueDepth camera is clean and it's not dusty. If it is dusty, then here you will have to clean your TrueDepth camera with clean cotton or with clean cloth. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Make sure that your eyes, nose and mouth are fully visible to the camera when you are set up the Face ID on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then here you will have to force restart iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, here check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then here you will have to scroll down here. Then here you will have to search for Face ID and passcode. Here is there, tap on this, then enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, here you will see this type interface. Here is the option of set up an alternate appearance. Here tap on this, then here you will have to use this by set up the Face ID on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, check the problem fixed or not. So here after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to set up the Face ID on your iPhone or iPad device after all these steps. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.